First got her, she wanted to kill me in every way.
I'm sure.
She just did not like people whatsoever because she'd been handling shots and everything else. But over time, and working with her every day, she realized that it's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. And now she actually shows me affection.
Oh, she does. Oh my God.
I'll preen her around her neck feathers and she'll start preening my hair.
No, that's fine.
I guess they're gonna do the free flight out here, and then later we'll get to walk the actual chambers down there.
Yeah, that's cool.
No, it just doesn't work.
Can you do me a favor? See that white post